The toilet safety frame is designed to provide greater stability in the bathroom, minimizing the risk of slips and falls when sitting or standing. Its adjustable design features a stabilizing crossbar that works with all standard and elongated toilets, making it versatile for any bathroom. Installation is easy and tool-free, utilizing existing seat bolts without the need for drilling or cementing. The non-slip handrails are lightly textured for a comfortable and secure grip, easily cleaned with a standard disinfectant wipe. The safety frame can be adjusted between 21.5 to 26.5 wide and 26 to 31.5 in height for a customized fit. Made of durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum, the frame can safely support up to 300 pounds. Overall, the toilet safety frame is a reliable and practical solution for anyone needing additional stability in the bathroom.